Hi, this is Eliot from Workload, and I'm here to help. In this video, we're going to talk about how to share your workspace. This can be either with your coworkers on your team or with us here at Workload, in case you need help with some tricky integrations. So first, we're going to navigate over to www.workload.co, and we're going to click the Login button. If you've created an account at Workload before and you've clicked the Remember Me box, that login information will be saved, so we can go ahead and sign in. Once we're signed in, we'll be at our Workload dashboard. If you look at the top right-hand corner, there's a button that has our account login name as well as the name of the workspace we're currently using. If we click that button, there'll be a little drop-down menu, and one of those options is Workspaces. This will show you all the workspaces you've created so far at Workload. The workspace you're currently using is the one without the little blue button, but if I would like to select another workspace to share, I can click on that. So I'm going to navigate over to Eliot's workspace, and this has the integration I need help with. So this is the one I would like to share. So I'm going to click back up at the button at the top, and this time I'm going to come down to Users. I'm going to click on that, and now we'll show I am the only current user for this workspace. And to add more, I'm going to click the Invite button. Now I can enter the email or emails of whoever I'd like to share my workspace with. In this case, I'm going to share with help@workload.co. And as I'm typing, a little blue drop-down menu will appear. And I want to make sure and click that email address within that drop-down menu. And then I'm going to select the role of admin, and then click on Save. So now you can see help@workload.co has been added to my users list, but the status is currently yellowed as invited. In order to make it green and active, whoever you sent that email invite to needs to go into their email account, open the email, and accept the invitation. If you're sharing your workspace with other coworkers on your team, you might need to tell them that, so make sure that they accept the invitation. And if you're sharing with us here at Workload, of course, we'll go in and accept your invitation as well. All right, that wraps up our lesson on how to share your workspace at Workload. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy this type of content, and please subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to see when we drop new videos about how to make your work-life balance a little bit more balanced. See you next time.